How to fix the problem of I can't watch reels on my Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of I can't watch reels on my Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your setting, go to apps, click on manage apps and choose Instagram. Click on clear cache and clear your Instagram's cache. Now go back and go to your Instagram. Click on your profile and click on those three lines. Now all you need to do is click on your setting. Scroll down and click on help. Now click on report a problem. And click on report a problem again. And now all you need to do is take a screenshot of your problem and explain what happened or what is not working on your Instagram. And they're gonna resolve your problem. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.